Hello and welcome. My name is Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind The Country Chic Cottage. Today I wanted to give you a group of Christmas sublimation designs that you can use in your sublimation crafts for the holidays. Now I'm going to use the snow globes because I have 5 snow globes for you. I'm going to use the snow globe designs in a few projects to kind of give you some examples of things you can do with these. And then I have another set of 8 holiday designs, and you can use those in your sublimation projects as well. Now the entire collection is free, and I have a link in the description below this video for you to sign up. The collection will be sent to your email. You can download those and then use them on your holiday craft projects. But I didn't want to stop there. I didn't want to stop with just a few Christmas sublimation designs for you. I wanted to give you even more freebies, so I'm pairing up with Corey George. And at the end of this video, if you're watching on the live premiere, it will direct directly to her video, where you can pick up her free bundle. If you are joining us later for the replay, I will link to her video in the description below this one. You can head to her video, pick up her free bundle as well, and she has more ideas for Christmas sublimation projects as well, and that way you get tons of designs, tons of project ideas, tons of Christmas crafting inspiration. So what am I going to make with some of these Christmas sublimation designs? I am going to make a napkin holder, a puzzle, couple of Christmas ornaments because I could not leave this post without doing some Christmas ornaments, a tea towel, as well as a wine bag for gift giving. Now you can choose to make one of the projects that I'm making, or you can use these designs on any sublimation project that you have in mind for the holidays. So let's take a look at how to make each of these designs, starting with the supplies you're going to need. The supplies you're going to need are as follows: protective paper, sublimation prints printed with sublimation ink on a sublimation printer on sublimation paper, and I am using the snow globe designs for all of these projects. Then you'll need your blanks. So these are sublimation blanks, and I have some Christmas ornaments, a puzzle, a napkin holder, a wine bag, and a kitchen towel. Now I'll show you how all of these work. Then you'll need heat resistant tape, a lint roller to clean your blanks, as well as heat resistant gloves. Now you'll also need a heat source, and because all of these blanks are flat, I am going to use a heat press. You could use an easy press, and if the blanks are not flat, there are a variety of heating options for you. So now let's take a look at how to sublimate each of these. Each of these is prepared in a similar way. So you're going to clean the blank, and you want to clean the surface where you're going to sublimate. So in the case of this napkin holder, on the back there are lines where you can bend it. So that is the back of this blank. So we want to sublimate on the front. For some blanks, you might also want to preheat them for 10 seconds, 20 seconds or so. That includes fabric blanks as well as chipboard blanks like the puzzle. Then we can cut the sublimation prints. Now we'll probably make them both about equal with the spacing on the bottom so I can line them up. Then you just want to locate the print on your sublimation blank and add heat resistant tape. Now I'm going to sublimate both sides at once, so I'm going to go ahead and add the other print. Once that's taped into place, it is ready for the heat press. Now anytime I use my heat press, I use protective paper on both the top as well as the bottom to protect my heat press itself. So I'm going to get 2 sheets of that. I'm going to prepare all my blanks in a similar manner. Then we can head to the heat press and heat each of these. Then we're going to go ahead and heat these blanks. The following are the settings that I used, but yours might be different depending on the blanks you used. For the napkin holder, I did 385 degrees for 120 seconds. For the wine bag, 385 degrees for 60 seconds. For the puzzle, 400 degrees for 60 seconds. The glass ornament, 400 degrees, 90 seconds. The towel, 380 degrees for 60 seconds. And the metal ornament, 350 degrees for 60 seconds. I did the same process on all of them. You might notice that there is a white pad in my AutoPress on some of these. That is called for on the napkin holder. It says to use a Nomex pad underneath, heat it, and then heat your blank. I like the Nomex pad in my AutoPress for a lot of my sublimation projects, so I left it for most of these. You might also notice that some of the prints I ripped around the edges. On things like fabric, I like to rip around the edges to minimize press marks on those projects. So now let's take a look at some of our results. Here is the sublimation puzzle. and it looks absolutely stunning and would be a great gift idea, even a stocking stuffer. Now this one I did tape to the back of the puzzle pieces because I was having a hard time holding it still, but you can just remove those and just sort of stick the puzzle back together if it pulls apart. So I'm just gonna stick that puzzle back together. And I did press it with the cardboard backing in place. And now that I have it pressed, I could discard that cardboard backing if I wanted to. Next up is this waffle weave kitchen towel, and I'll just peel this back and you can see the cute snow globe design located on it. Next is the wine bag. Again, sublimated perfectly, super cute design. Then here are both the ornaments. This is the glass ornament. Now for this one, you would not mirror your print because it shows through the front. Now these snow globes didn't exactly matter for that, but if you had something with text or writing, you would want to make sure not to mirror. But on the metal ones, you mirror just like always. And you can see how great that looks as well. And now you would just have to add something to these to hang them on your tree. Then finally I have this napkin holder. So first of all, we're going to remove the sublimation print. And I kind of ran this one off the edge so that the snow globe itself would be in the center. I'm just going to remove the print from both sides. And then we can bend this into a napkin holder. So we sublimated it flat, and now these lines in the back allow us to bend this. So we're just going to bend it up until both sides are about equal. And now we have a napkin holder for the holidays. Now I have some super cute items for my holiday decor, to give as gifts, to use around my home, or to even put a gift in the case of this wine bag. So now you have some cute snow globe designs as well as some other Christmas sublimation designs to use in your projects. And I will be using some of this collection in another video, so stay tuned to this YouTube channel to see that as well. So now, if you want even more Christmas sublimation designs and project ideas, I am pairing up with Corey George, and as soon as I'm done talking at the end of this video will automatically forward to her video where you can pick up even more designs with another design bundle, as well as get more Christmas sublimation ideas. So if you love the holidays, this is definitely for you. Stay tuned after this video. So now if you have any questions about anything we've covered, drop down in the comment section, ask away. If you like this video, if it helped you, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We have videos just like this one every single week, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of those. So thank y'all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.